So, hello everyone. My name is Shubhang Mishra. I am B.Tech CSE student currently attending the Thapar Summer School training program. This is my first ever podcast, and I'm super excited to welcome you all to this special podcast. So, as we know, in today's world, business rely heavily on the complex enterprise systems to manage everything. And from manage everything, we mean from operations and data to customer experience. At the heart of this digital backbone lies SAP. Now we will discuss about what SAP in further our podcast. I will give you a gist about what SAP really is. SAP is one of the most powerful platforms used globally by the organization to streamline their processes. We are going to explore what it really takes to manage, maintain, and evolve these enterprise grade systems. We will talk about large scale SAP implementation, HANA administration, and many more. Now, you all might be wondering about why are we diving into something that often stays behind the scenes? Let's say there is a system that silently keeps the world biggest company running. From biggest company, we means like Samsung, Coca-Cola, Nestle, and Walmart, and many more. The ones that never makes headline but power every transaction, every delivery, and every operation. Now, what SAP really is, and who manages them, and why do they matter so much? To answer all these questions and to understand all these complex systems, I would like to welcome our today's guest, Mr. Ravi Patneedi, sir, a highly experienced and inspiring professional
Hi,
who brings over 11 years of hands-on expertise in SAP basis. Ravi sir, a very warm welcome to you and thank you so much for joining us today. It's truly an
thank you.
honor to have someone of your experience on this podcast. So, before diving into the main conversation, it would be wonderful if you could introduce yourself and tell us about your technical background that you have done till now.
Yeah, sure. So my background is I am a computer science engineer from
Yes,
graduated from Madras University in the year 2001. So
yes,
it's been like almost 23 plus years, I guess.
yes, sir.
Yeah. So right. I graduated. I got into this SAP. So let me first correct you. It is not SAP.
Okay,
So
sir.
we call it as SAP. It
SAP. Okay, sir.
means, yeah, we have to call it as SAP only, but not as a single word SAP. It is
Yes, sir.
systems, applications, and processes in distributed processing environments. So yeah, I got into SAP, I think in the year 2004, where I was recruited in Tata Consultancy Services.
Yes,
Um,
sir.
I was an associate engineer there. So that how my SAP journey started. Now I am with Tractor Supply
Yes, sir.
company from the past 10 years.
Okay, sir.
Yep, that's the brief thing about me. Yeah.
Picking up from there, with your
hmm
vast experience around 11 years in SAP and SAP Basis and HANA, what initially drew you into this field? What was the main thing that you saw in this field that you decided that I will continue in this field in my future and further?
Yeah. So let me tell you first what how SAP works, right?
Yes, sir.
So so think about a large scale industry, whether it is a manufacturing industry or a retail business. Very large, as you mentioned, like a Walmart, PepsiCo, Nestle.
Yes,
So
sir.
when you see these large companies, there are like different departments that run within this company and within those companies, and they are the backbones of that business, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
when I say the modules, different modules, for example, HR,
Yes, sir.
okay, and then finance department, then you
Yes, sir.
have production department, then
Yes, sir.
you have quality department, then you have sales.
Yes, sir.
So, so these are all the departments how SAP has successfully integrated all these departments. It's like a cycle. So, for
Hmm.
example, if you take a bike industry, for example,
Yes,
right?
sir.
You have to like first purchase the raw material, the parts. Okay, so that will be taken care by the inventory department. So once you purchase that, those raw materials will be whatever you are purchased, they will be in the system. And then once they're in the system, okay, then the manufacturing starts, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
the assembly, everything happens, and then the quality inspection, everything happens, and finally the product is sold by the sales department. So once they are sold, some dollars come into the system, right? So it's
Yes,
a
sir.
cycle. So you purchase raw material, you manufacture, you sell it, make profit, put
Yes,
it in
sir.
the finance department, and at the end of the day, you have some profits, balance sheet, everything. So all the departments, they're interrelated, and no other software can interrelate this much, I mean, interconnectivity thing. Like, for example, if you see go for a .NET or something, it cannot sustain this large scale,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
business.
Yes,
It's
sir.
only restricted to some, like, for example, it's you have a small store, they have a simple database, and
Yes, sir.
then they have a front end. So
Yes,
it's
sir.
just for, it can sustain like that, like small softwares, like, but it cannot sustain, I mean, support this big enterprise, you say,
Yes, sir.
with
Yes, sir.
all the departments. And
Yes, sir.
then,
There are a
yeah,
large
that's
amount of
how,
data. Hmm.
yeah, that's how it works. So it is very inspiring, actually, how they have built this software, which is so much integrated. And right, so my key role is an administrator. So I
Yes, sir.
administer all the back end of right from the installation, and
Okay,
then
sir.
setting up the system,
Hmm.
and then
Yes, sir.
installing the database. On
Yes,
top
sir.
of that, installing the SAP software, and then creating users. Coming to the SAP, there are like the three main roles. Uh, like one is the administrator,
Yes, sir.
and another one is the functional consultants. They
Yes,
are
sir.
they have the functional knowledge. They don't have an
Okay.
IT. They can have an IT background, but they're pure functional. Functional in the sense they are core. If, for example, if I take the finance department, they are core in the finance. They
Okay,
do the
sir.
balance sheets. They
Hmm.
they they work with the money, so
Yes,
they
sir. Yes,
know
sir.
in and outs what happening in the finance.
Oh,
So
yes, sir.
they study the business, and they map that whatever their business to SAP.
Yes, sir.
Think about like SAP has given like 100,000 tables.
Yes, sir.
All the tables are there, fields are there, everything is there. You have to just map whatever you want.
Okay,
Got
sir.
it? So that
Yes, sir.
part is taken care by the functional consultant. And
Okay,
another
sir.
role is a technical consultant who writes code, right?
Yes, sir.
Code in the sense. So this is a package given by SAP. So some customers may like or may not like their screens. They want, okay, I want this screen is not looking good. I
Oh.
want some modification. I want
Hmm.
to add
Interface
another,
part.
yeah, another
Hmm.
fields. So things like that comes from the business use cases. So in order to map those things, right, change the standard package, standard code. So
Yes, sir.
they come into picture. So
Sir.
and another role is a security consultant. So he mainly takes care of the security of the system, right? So for example, a purchasing department. So they
Yes,
cannot
sir.
they have certain roles. They can only do purchase some only certain things. They cannot do
Yes, sir.
other things to their
Hmm.
advantage, right? Some
Yes, sir.
people
Yes, sir.
to their advantage they give they can. compromise, right? So so to avoid that, there is this security rules they put on. But so whatever day-to-day activities that person does, so they will map those activities to that job. So these security things are taken care by the security consultant. So typically, these are the roles that are there in the SAP department. Like, for example,
Yes, sir.
if any enterprise has implemented SAP, so they
Yes,
have
sir.
the technical consultants, security SAP security consultants, and the administrator part.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. So you might have got some idea about
Yes, I have got.
how it
So
works.
there,
Yeah,
that is a very vast field. When we talk
yeah.
about SAP, there are too much
It is
that we
very
need to
interesting,
know.
actually. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yeah.
So, sir, from this, I have a curious question that you have led SAP implementation and migration for
Right.
about 11 and more than 11 years. So, what
Yeah.
was the most challenging project that you have ever worked, and what you have learned from it that you can implement in future, and what can be improved in this field?
Yeah, so these SAP implementations, they're very large scale, there is so
Yes,
much
sir.
money involved. Like, for
Yes, sir.
example, I'll give you a typical example. The budgets can go to like $100 million.
It's too much, sir.
It's a huge amount. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So it's a huge amount, right? So
Yes, sir.
basically, the implementation part is very critical, uh, and it should not go as planned, right? So the challenging part is for every consultant there is a challenge. For example, for me
Mm-hmm.
as an administrator, the challenging part is make the system perform well, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Mm-hmm.
once this is deployed, we cannot say it is performing well. You have to do lots of. I have to coordinate with lots of teams, put
Mm-hmm.
load on the system.
Yes,
Uh,
sir.
we have to see how it performs, right?
Yes, sir.
So once it see till the go live, it is calm, right? It is like calm. Okay, once it is go live in the sense we are just releasing that SAP to all the end users. So
Yes, sir.
people log into the SAP, they run their job. We have to pinpoint something that's causing that slowness, right? Suppose if we pinpoint a query, it
Yes,
is
sir.
a very bad query in the sense they have put too many joins, and so it is like we have to find out that and think, okay, this is the bad query or bad code you have written. Okay, this is
Yes, sir.
causing the CPU hike or the
Yes,
memory
sir.
hike, and it is
Mm-hmm.
bringing the system down. It is affecting the business impact, right?
Yes, sir.
Uh, so each and every hour, if the system becomes slow or something, there is an
Mm-hmm.
impact on the business. The
Yes, sir.
impact is like so much, right?
It may
Say for
cause
example,
loss to the company.
loss, yeah, yeah. So loss to the company. I'll give you an example. I was working in a chain of retail chain that's in India, back in India. You
Yes,
might have
sir.
heard about in the south there is this Nilgiri's retail store. It is a
Uh,
departmental store.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah,
sir. Neil.
you might have heard Nilgiris. So it is a small departmental store. It looks like D-Mart or something. I'm just
Yes,
giving
sir.
throwing an example. So what the store needs the next day. So they
Yes,
will
sir.
calculate the SAP will calculate and it will tell you, okay, replace this shelf with this many. You have the DCs. The DCs is like a kind of godowns or something where they take the raw material and ship it to the stores, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
every morning, you have to tell, every morning they have to, the trucks will be lined up. Okay, they have to load the goods. So if that job fails, right, all
Yes, sir.
that is the delay, you know.
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
The trucks will get cannot reach the store at
On the
at
time.
the on the time, and it is a
Hmm.
business impact, right?
Yes, sir.
You don't have that whatever they want to sell at the right
Yes, sir.
time, so you're
Yes,
losing
sir.
business. So it's very critical, the performance thing, very critical and it's very challenging.
Yes, sir.
That's the
A
heart
small delay
of
can
my,
cause a
yeah,
large loss.
large loss, yes.
Yes, sir. In today's world, AI is growing day by day,
Yes,
and you are in SAP for more than 23 years,
yes.
as you have told.
Hmm.
So you have seen AI growing from scratch to
Yes.
advance.
Hmm.
So how does it impact SAP and how it help? Does it reduce the
Yeah.
workload of employees
Yes.
or
Hmm.
yes,
Yes, certainly. So right now it is the hot topic, right?
yes,
Everybody
sir,
has to have to go to use AI, otherwise they will fall backward, right?
yes,
So
sir,
other businesses will move forward. So SAP also has come up with some AI features. They are
yes, sir.
calling it, they named it as a Joule.
Oh, yes, sir.
It's Joule. It
Okay,
is
sir.
an AI assistant
Mm-hmm.
specifically for SAP. Like for
Yes, sir.
example, it's kind of it comes as a chatbot kind of thing.
Yes, sir.
So the user traditionally the user will go to each screen next. They go to next screen and find out, do a search, and then find out like that, right?
Yes, sir.
So it
Yes,
just
sir.
it what it does is it just goes to the database and searches everything, and then just give the output.
Yes,
So
sir.
as you said, AI is changing. It is
Yes, sir.
changing the way they use.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, and it's how it is evolving is that right now the SAP package is deployed in the on-prem data centers. It means the company owns the data center.
Yes,
But
sir.
right now, since there is a lot of processing involved, right, for these AI queries and all. So right
Yes,
now,
sir.
yeah, it is moving to the cloud infrastructure, wherein
Mm-hmm.
like it is helping a lot. Um,
Yes, sir.
Definitely, AI is now a part of SAP. It has to.
Mm-hmm.
It is right now evolving. It everything can be like microservices. The agent comes and talks to agents in SAP and
Yes, sir.
send output to the other interfaces in the
Mm-hmm.
system. So this is the evolving world right now.
Yes, sir. So, sir, as we know that AI is evolving and it's also help SAP and all other enterprises and things. So, what advice will you give to the students who are early career to engineers or who want to join in the field of SAP?
Um, yeah, so definitely AI and ML will help. That is
Yes, sir.
for sure
Yes,
because
sir.
the all the big software companies, they wanted to automate everything they want. Like they want to reduce the work for the business user so that he can
Mm-hmm.
concentrate on more on the other duties. So he spend less time on the system.
Yes,
So
sir.
definitely, but if you want to start a career in SAP, I would suggest you like learn this. There is a ABAP language which is native to SAP. So all the SAP package is written in ABAP.
Okay,
So
sir.
it's a language.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Yes, sir. So, sir, in like you have told about the AI, ML, Node.js, are there
yeah,
any more trends or technical skills that you see in SAP that might be needed in future or might student while you want to hire someone that he or she should have that
yeah.
thing?
So basically, when you talk about this AI and ML, right, it is more of um, like analytics, right? You get the data
Yes, sir.
and then you give the insights based
Yes, sir.
on, maybe you can make some models using I think Python. is the language they are using mostly right now
Yes, sir.
to get the insights or use models which are already there. I think you can use the libraries and
Yes, sir.
then
Pre-trained model and all.
pre-trained model. Yeah. So
Yes, sir.
basically, it is like you get the data set and then you use it, train it, and then
Yes,
give
sir.
the insight. That's the
Yes,
basic
sir.
thing, right? So it's all about statistics there. So if
Mm-hmm.
you are good in statistics, I think you can be an AI champion.
Yes, sir.
Sure, for sure. Since I cannot code, right? So there are also tools like no code AI tools,
Yes, sir.
which yeah, like for example, you might have heard this rapid miner. Um,
Rapid miner. Yes, sir.
yeah. So that's a I think for educational purpose you can use it for like 1 year. I think it's a free license,
Yes, sir.
and you have all the data sets from Kaggle.com. You can
Mm-hmm.
just take one data set and then import it to that rapid miner.
Yes,
I
sir.
think we have done a project which I mean it's not related to SAP, but just I wanted to learn for myself. So it's a project like whether there is the data set, and then from the data set you have to tell whether the mail is a spam or not.
Yes, sir.
So it's all the pre-built everything the tool does for you. I just have
Mm-hmm.
to know how to use the tool, right?
Yes,
I
sir.
have to see what attributes I need, or what to show in the final output. Yeah, things like that. So
Yes, sir.
definitely these will help. Now it is the hot market AI and ML. I can
Yes,
say,
sir.
yeah.
Yeah.
But in the real world, I think as per the instructor, they are
Mm-hmm.
not using this no code AI tools, but mostly they are using the Python. Yeah, if you
Yes,
are
sir.
good in Python, I think
Yes, sir.
you can achieve goals in AI and ML.
Yes, sir. So in AI/ML, basically everything works on Python only.
Yeah.
As in Thapar Summer School also, our instructor teaches us about all the Python libraries, how does it work, and we use no code ML
Hmm.
model that you have told. Like there is a platform known as Landing AI, in which there is
Yeah.
already a model. You just need to just upload the data set like photos, audio, and all, and
Right.
it will give you data.
Yes. Correct.
This
Correct.
all was stored. Yes, sir. So now this was all about technical stuff. Now I have question about my curiosity that I have curious about. Like, if
Yeah.
you were not into technical field, what field would you choose? Like, what you would want to become?
Uh, if I am not a technical, so yeah, I think I would be a farmer, I guess, because my father is a farmer.
Yes, sir.
So yeah, I used to travel with him when I was a kid, like till like eighth grade or ninth grade. He used to teach me how how it is done. Maybe in that field, maybe I would have gone into that field. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Things are changing so fast. So
Yes, sir.
just keep an eye on what's going in the AI world.
Yes, sir.
So daily one new thing is coming up, right? Um, uh, just keep apprised of what's happening in the AI world. So if you are into AI world,
Yes, sir.
so for a computer science engineer, I think AI and ML is the uh, I can see that is the future.
Yes, sir.
Um, but for other fields, maybe uh, I can say like things that cannot be AI, they cannot be automated.
Yes, sir.
And yeah, so like for example, an electrical engineer, they cannot do any automation on that. They have to see. anyway, manual work is still needed there, right? AI and ML core thing is the hot market right now
Yes, sir.
because um, anybody can do their job, right? Now they go to the chat GPT and find out and do whatever they want. Like,
Yes, sir.
and there people are becoming more smart.
So, sir, last piece of advice to all of the students like me also. I am currently in third year, just promoted to third year. What piece of advice will you give to the students like me and all? And what can be the non-technical skills that you might require in SAP?
If you are in the finance field or sales field, those become non-technical. So
Yes,
you
sir.
can get into those areas.
Yes, sir.
But functional knowledge is always good when
Yes, sir.
you come to the SAP world.
Yes,
So
sir.
they have the more upper hand
Yes, sir.
because
Absolutely.
they study the company. Like for example, so the finance if you are in MBA finance, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
you are a right fit into that finance SAP finance consultant, they call it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So if you are into the go into marketing and all, so you end up in SAP and if you want to get into SAP, so you have to focus more on that sales and distribution, marketing component. So you become a SAP marketing consultant. So
Yes, sir.
there are wide open in SAP where
Mm-hmm.
like all the people with non-technical also, if they have the functional field experience, they can get into SAP.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And so if you are a second or third year student, what I would say is just keep a like focus on what you are doing, right? Just focus, get good marks. If you are planning to, uh, I mean, to study abroad,
Yes, sir.
I don't want to discourage, but it's a lot of money. At the
Yes, sir.
end of the day, right now the situation is not that good.
Yes, sir.
Um, so, but AIML is a very good path to, if you are a computer science, I would say, yeah, do more thing on that. Because the insights, right, what you give it
Yes, sir.
goes to the CEO levels, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Mm-hmm.
the CEO of the company, he wants the insights. He wants to know what will happen. He wants the predictions to go right.
Yes, sir.
So that is a very demanding demanding position. If you
Yes, sir.
do more good predictions, good models, that is how right now they are looking at.
I was kind of nervous at the beginning of the podcast because it was as my first podcast. But so thank you
Yeah,
so much for taking the
yeah, no
time to
problem.
share a journey
Yeah,
and
hmm
experience. I am
yeah,
sure everyone listening, especially student like me, will walk away with a lot of things about and learn
yeah.
from this.
Yeah, I wish you all the best for you and the other students,
Thank you,
upcoming
sir.
students. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.